Good evening, children. Welcome to Sunpro Coaching Academy. This is Somshekar. I am doing mathematics class right now. We are going to start now. Coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is a branch of mathematics. Father of coordinate geometry is René Descartes. Other name of coordinate geometry is analytical geometry. Analytical geometry. And one more name is other name of coordinate geometry is Cartesian geometry. How we got this name? Cartesian geometry. See, father of coordinate geometry, on his name only we kept Cartesian geometry. René Descartes, Cartesian geometry, on his name only they kept Cartesian geometry. In this coordinate geometry, we will majorly discuss about geometry concepts only. Whatever geometry concept, we will discuss about in a coordinate geometry. We learn about geometry. See, in a geometry, we will discuss about all on the plane only, isn't it? We know plane means a flat smooth surface area is called plane. In the same way, that is in geometry. In a Cartesian geometry, here flat smooth surface is nothing but xy plane. We will learn about in this chapter xy plane, on xy plane, all everything. The all operations will go in a Cartesian plane only. It's nothing but xy plane. What is meant by x and what is meant by y? Horizontal line is called x-axis. Horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line is called y-axis. Point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is origin. Origin. Here x values and y values are 0, 0. We learn what is meant by order pair. Order pair. Order pair nothing but two numbers are in specific order, like x, y is a order pair here. This is called first coordinate and this is called second coordinate. X coordinate, other name is abscissa. Abscissa. And y coordinate name is called ordinate. See, these two numbers are should not interchangeable. We have to write in specific order. First one is x coordinate, second one is y coordinate. In the first coordinate, we will represent all the values on x axis. Yeah, this is line x line is there na. This is called x axis. Horizontal line is called x axis. Line is called x axis. Vertical line is called y axis. Axis is a plural singular word. Axis is a singular word. Axis is a plural word. Axis. Axis means singular word. Axis means plural word. Plural form of axis. Axis is a plural form of axis. See, we know how to represent points. You learn in 9th class. How to represent points on a Cartesian plane. That is called plotting points. On x-axis, see, from here origin to positive side, these all are called this positive values. Right side of the origin to on x-axis is positive numbers. And the same way origin to the left hand side, these all are called negative numbers. By the way, on y-axis from the 0 to upward direction, these all are positive numbers. From 0 to downwards, negative numbers are there. Now, let us take one Cartesian plane here. How to plot the point, I will show you. This is a point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis, that is 0, 0. From here to, yes, this constant distance should be same, 1 units, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and so on. This is a 4 centimeter. By the way, negative direction on x-axis is negative numbers are there, -1, -2, -3, -4. And on y-axis, this is called x dash, remember. And on y-axis, origin to upward direction, positive numbers will get 1, 2, 3, 4. This distance should be constant everywhere. And downwards, -1, -2, -3, -4. See how to plot the points. We have a specific order x, y. There is a, this is called point. Now let us take one example, 2, 3. How to represent 2, 3 on Cartesian plane? See, on the x-axis, take as a 2 to draw a perpendicular line, and from 3 to on y-axis draw perpendicular line. The 2 will meet at a place. That point is called 2, 3. From x-axis to 2, from 2 to draw one perpendicular line, on y-axis from 3 to draw one more perpendicular line. This point of intersection is only 2, 3 point, our required point. And this is a first coordinate, this is second coordinate, this is the third coordinate, and this is the fourth coordinate. Quadrant. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, x values are positive and y values are positive. We will get here x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. In the second quadrant, x values are less than 0, means x is negative values, x values are negative. And on y, in the second quadrant, y values are positive, y is greater than 0. In the third quadrant, x values are negative and y values also negative. See, here both are negative, less than 0. Next, in the fourth quadrant, x values are positive and y values are negative. Now, plotting points, we learn how to plot the 2, 3 and 2, -3, how to represent. On x-axis take 2 and y-axis 3. So, -3. See, on x-axis 2 and on y-axis -3, where they will meet. From 2 to draw one perpendicular line, from 3 to draw one more perpendicular line. The 2 will meet at a point that is called 2, -3. Okay, now let us take one more number, -3, -2. See, on x-axis -3, where it will be? Here it is. And on y-axis -3, where it will be? -3. From here to, from 3, draw perpendicular lines. The 2 will meet at a place that is -3, -2. And -2, +3, where it will be? On x-axis -2 and y-axis +3. The 2 will meet at a place that is a point of intersection of -2, 3. Simply we can say this home 2, 3 వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు 2, -3 వాళ్ళ ఇల్లు ఇవన్నీ వాళ్ళ ఇంటి అడ్రస్ అని చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? See, easily. Now, how far distance from x-axis to this 2, 3? How far distance 2, 3 from the x-axis? X-axis ki enta దూరంలో ఉంది? So 3 units. And how far distance this 2, 3 from y-axis? How far distance? 2 units. Okay. Okay, na? Next, how to find the distance between the 2 points? There is a 2 comma 3 point and one more point is there 2 comma minus 3. How far distance from 2 to 2 comma 3 to 2 comma minus 3? How to find? By measuring we can say, see, this is a 3 units, from here to here 3 units, totally 6 units is there. It is all times not possible. Sometimes the points is like here and one more point here. We cannot find this distance. By using, we can get one formula is there. We will do by using formula how for distance from the 2 points. 2 points formula. Distance between 2 points. If x1 y1 is 1 point and x2 y2 is another point. See, A is a point x1 y1, B is point x2 y2, whose distance AB is equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In other words, we can write it as like this. Also we can write it as y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, or we can write like this even, root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This is formula for finding distance between any 2 points. Let us see one example here. Can I erasing this one? Now let us take A point is 2 comma 3, 2 comma 3, and B point is take as 2 comma minus 3. How far distance from these 2 points? Apply this formula, distance between 2 points formula. Yes, AB is equals to root over, let's imagine this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. We have a formula x2, whichever you can use these formulas, not a problem. I am using this formula x2 minus x1, 2 minus 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. See, 2 minus 2 is 0 plus minus 3 minus 6 minus 3 minus 3. Yes, minus 3 minus 6 whole square. Okay, na? Yes, 0 plus 6 square is 36. This distance is root 36 means 6 units. Also we got same here also, isn't it? That's now distance formula from origin to a point. I am erasing again this point. Can I erase this? Now distance from origin to the point. There is a point x comma y. This is a point P. How far distance from origin to the point P? Okay, now just we can write directly formula OP distance. OP is equals to root over x square plus y square. That's enough. This is a formula from origin to the point. If the 2 points are there, you have to write these formulas out of any 3. Root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square, or x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, na? And in this Cartesian plane, there are 3 points are there. If the 3 points are joined together, I am erasing this again. Vertical line is called y-axis, horizontal line is called x-axis. Point of intersection of x-axis, y-axis is origin. There is a point A, x1, y1, and there is a point B, x2, y2. We learn how far distance from A to B by using that formula, isn't it? And we can find midpoint also. What is the midpoint of AB? We have a formula for this one. Midpoint of AB is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So, how we got this formula? By using section formula we got this one. If you want, I will explain section formula, and later main concept in this 10th class. There is one more point C. If you join A to C and join C to B, what you will get? You will get a triangle. Now, how to find area of this triangle? See, first point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, third point is x3 y3. See, there is a formula, this area of a triangle, area of triangle ABC is equals to half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. By using these 3 points, we can get area of this triangle, okay na, by using this formula. Do you understand or not? Now, one more we will write here, section formula. We learn here distance between 2 points and midpoint formula and area of triangle. One more is the section formula. There are 2 points are there, section formula, 2 formulas are there for section formula. This time here. Section formula. So, what is meant by section formula? There is a line segment AB. A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2. There is a point P dividing this line segment into L is to M ratio. L is to M ratio. Now, we have to find this point vertices. This point we have to find. So, we will get by using section formula. See, this is dividing internally. Section formula P is equals to Lx2 plus Mx1 by L plus M comma Ly2 plus Ny1 by L plus My1 by L plus M. This is a internal section formula. And one more is there, external section formula. P is equals to Lx2 minus Mx1 by L minus M comma Ly2 minus My1 by L minus M. These are the section formulas. In this chapter, we discussed about distance between 2 points and distance from origin to that point, midpoint formula, area of triangle formula, section formulas. And we learned even plotting points also we learned here. So, that's all. These topics are there in our 10th class. If any points are there, we will discuss again. Write it.